Okay, we're outside of 614 Pine Street. Beautiful apartment building in the Society Hill section of Philadelphia. We're between 6th and 7th Street. Just a couple blocks to Washington Square Park, up this way or that way. We are just a couple blocks from Center City. Rittenhouse Square is not too far from here either. Walnut Street, Chestnut Street. South Street is a couple blocks that way, where there's tons of bars, restaurants. There's so many coffee shops around. Just a fantastic little neighborhood and beautiful street. Very well known in Philadelphia. This is a brownstone with, again, a number of units inside. This is the block. Very pretty. So it looks like there's 6 units in here right now. Okay. There's a double locking front door. So this door locks. Here's your mailboxes. Zoom out. There's your mailboxes. Too close. Light is on 24/7. Again, this door automatically locks and closes, which is a great security feature. There's a peephole in this door, and there's a window here. Just keeps things very safe and nice. So again, this door also locks. And that's the initial entrance to the building. After this, if there's a unit that we're showing, which we will be, we connect that video to this one. So this is the space, beautiful building, and hope you enjoy the unit.
Hello everyone, I'm inside 614 Pine Street to show you a studio apartment, top floor studio apartment. Before I get to the units, I want to show you the common space. This is the hallway. On the left, you have a drop box for the rent. Here you have a mailbox, and it's a hardwood floor on the first floor. This door takes you to the side of the building where residents take out their trash. Here is a place for recycle and trash, and you put it here. The landlord will take it outside. Okay. The unit is located on the 7th floor. Okay, they have hallway lights and a window for a natural light. This is the unit 3R. I will take you inside and show you what the inside looks like. Right, going to the 3rd floor to show you this beautiful studio apartment. You have a window in the hallway and the light. This stays on all the time. The unit I'm about to show you is unit 3R. It is studio unit, recently updated. The tenant is in the process of moving out, so you have her belonging here, where the place has this beautiful, nice floor. This is the space for your living and bedroom. This is a studio, as you could say. This is a space, your living space. And at the front door, you have 4 windows here on this floor. It gets a lot of natural light. This window over there, and over there by the kitchen. The place gets a lot of natural light. But right now, it is winter in Philly, and I'm taking this video in the evening, so I left the light on to show you what the unit looks like. As I walk into the kitchen area, you see these stainless steel appliances, almost brand new cabinet space, plenty of cabinet space, built-in microwave, gas oven, and you have additional counter space. You also have this upgraded countertop for in the kitchen, a window over there. You'll be looking out to the back of the building. You could have plenty of plants in here. The place gets a lot of natural light. As I said, the current tenant is in the process of moving out, so by the time the tenant completely moves out, this place is gonna be clean and nice. And the last place I would like to show you is your bathroom. Actually, it's a huge bathroom you have here. As you walk in, you get this nice tile floor, a window for a fresh air. You have this beautiful shower bath combo. Here is your toilet and your vanity and the medicine cabinet. This place was renovated last year, so most of the items you see in here are new. Inside the bathroom, as you could see, this is a door that separates the bathroom from the living space. Here inside, you have this closet space, nice size closet space, deep in size. Going back to the living space, this is what unit 3R of 614 Pine Street looks like. It's a studio apartment. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. One thing I didn't say is the place has a high ceiling. As you could see, it has a high ceiling. Thank you for watching. Bye.